Let's have a quick tour of the Istari Digital Platform web application. Start by login to your Istari Digital instance. After login, you will be on the system's workspace. You can use the left sidebar to navigate between the different workspaces. If your environment is configured to support classification levels, the maximum classification level authorized for any data in the platform is mentioned in the header. Let's have a closer look at the system workspace. The system's workspace lists all systems you have access to. A system is a logical group of related resources, for example, all the models used in a UAV program. The system's workspace is also where you can create your own systems. Click on one of your system to work on it. The left panel displays the system's content, all uploaded or connected resources, all generated artifacts, and optionally, other subsystems. You can check and change the branch you're working on at the top of this panel. A branch is a parallel version of uSystem. Select one of the resource to see its content. The central panel displays information about the selected resource. It provides a preview for common file types: PNG, JPEG, OBJ, PDF, HTML, and many more. If applicable to your installation, the resource classification level appears at the top of this panel. The right panel surfaces revision history, unique identifiers, creator info, security, and sharing details. Select a resource coming from an engineering tool, in this case, Dassault Cameo. The central panel displays the different functions that we have executed on this resource from the Istari Digital platform. Execute functions on any resource by creating a job directly in the platform. The platform will provide the list of functions available for this type of model. The job is executed by an Istari agent installed in your network and using the corresponding engineering tool. Upon completion, you can access the generated resources, typically artifacts containing the model's data, in machine-readable formats. Verify the provenance of any resource using the lineage view. Your system may include multiple models. This system features a 3D geometry design created in Dassault CATIA. For this type of model, one generated artifact contains the geometry in an open format, which you can preview directly in the Istari platform. You can add resources to your system at any moment. Select Upload to add a local model file. Select Connect to register a file that resides in a third-party application. Resources View. The Resources workspace lists all the resources you have access to, regardless of which systems they belong to. Share a resources from the Resource Information panel. You can decide to share a resource internally with users of your instance or externally with configured partners who also use Istari Digital. Set additional security features from the Resource Detail panel. Jobs View. A job represents the execution of a function on a model. Jobs are used for operations like extracting artifacts, running transformations, and processing data. The Jobs workspace lists all the function executions you have requested, along with their current status. Settings. Access settings by clicking your avatar at the bottom of the sidebar. Access developer settings to enable programmatic integrations with the platform. That's where you manage your personal access tokens to securely access the Istari Digital platform programmatically via the Istari Digital Python client. Anything you need to find? Use the universal search bar to find resources or systems across the Istari Digital platform. This finishes our Istari Digital platform web app tour. Learn more about Istari Digital. Visit us at istaridigital.com.